Hi, my name is Tina Scott. I'm a special ed assistant here at Bethune Middle School, where the best, brightest attend, teach, and study.
There you go.
Yes.
I think the message was very captivating for our students. Our students was into the show from the start to the end, and they enjoyed it so well to where they were turning around to their other peers, telling them, shh, be quiet, be quiet.
And what do you think about the characters? Which character hit you the closest for you personally?
For me, I would say the mom, because I had a strong mom, and she was a single mom, and she didn't play that.
What message do you have for the mothers?
For the mothers, I would say they would need to show more love to their teenagers. I know they say that those teenage years are some of the hard years that we as parents face, but I would think that there would need to be more love from the mothers to give to their teenagers, and just have more patience with them, and just be more caring for them.
Yeah. What is it that's bothering the children the most right now in this day and age?
I think what bothers some of our students the most is a lack of attention from their parents or family members, I should say.
Okay. Yes. All right. Anything else you want to say from your heart?
Well, from my heart, I mean, I have a passion with working with kids, and I love kids. That's why I come here every day, and I just think there needs to be just more love.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank